4 a.m. Again. My alarm, my body says no, but I have to get up. They need me.
She used to love Ramadan, long prayers, quiet nights, feeling close to Allah. But this year, everything is different.
I haven't prayed on time in 3 days. I haven't opened the Quran. I'm just surviving. She looks at her children sleeping. So peaceful. They don't know that their mother is falling apart inside. What if I never find my Ramadan again? What if this is just motherhood now?
This is the story of Jane's first Ramadan with her children, the struggle, the guilt, the tears, and the moment everything changed.
Stay with us. You won't want to miss what she discovered.
It was the night before Ramadan. The children were sleeping. Jane sat alone in the living room. The Quran app was open on her phone, but she just stared at it.
Last year, I read so much Quran. I prayed Taraweeh every night. I felt close to Allah. This year, I have 2 children. Adam is 7, Lily is 4. Will I have any time at all?
You're still awake?
I'm worried, Max. What if I can't do this? What if I fail?
You won't fail. You're their mother. That's already something beautiful.
But what about my ibadah? What about my connection with Allah?
Maybe your children are your ibadah now.
Jane looked at him. She wanted to believe him, but deep inside, she wasn't sure.
The first morning came. Jane woke up before Fajr. She was so tired. She stumbled to the kitchen and started making suhoor.
Mama, I'm hungry.
Sit down, Habibi. I'll bring you food. She served him. Then Lily appeared. Then Max. Everyone ate. Jane's own plate sat untouched. She was too tired to eat. I haven't even made dua yet. The sun will rise soon.
She prayed Fajr quickly, interrupted twice by Lily calling her. When she finished, she didn't feel anything, just empty. By midday, everything fell apart. Lily wanted a toy. Adam took it. Lily screamed. Adam screamed back. Jane stood in the middle, her head pounding.
Mama! Adam took my doll! It's mine! I had it first!
Stop it! Both of you!
Silence. Adam and Lily stared at her. Jane's hands were shaking. She never yelled. Not like this.
Mama, are you okay?
Jane looked at her son's worried face. She looked at Lily, who was now crying softly. And then she looked at the clock. Asar. I missed Asar.
She sat down on the floor, right there in the middle of the mess, and put her head in her hands.
What kind of mother am I? What kind of Muslim am I? I can't even pray on time. I can't even control my anger. I'm failing everyone. The afternoon passed in a blur. Jane prepared iftar like a robot. Cut the vegetables, boiled the water, set the table. Her body moved, but her mind was somewhere else. Maybe I'm not meant to have a spiritual Ramadan anymore. Maybe this is just my life now. Chaos, noise, exhaustion. No time for Allah. She stopped cutting and looked out the window. The sun was setting. Soon they would break their fast. Soon they would pray Maghrib together. But she felt nothing. Ya Allah, do you even see me anymore? Do you even care?
Iftar came. The family sat together. They ate dates and drank water. They prayed Maghrib. And then something unexpected happened.
Mama, this soup is the best ever! I helped. I put the dates in the bowl all by myself.
We have the best helpers in the whole world.
You really are. For the first time all day, Jane smiled. A real smile. She looked at her children's happy faces. She looked at Max, who was watching her with kind eyes. And in that moment, something shifted. Wait, is this also Ramadan? After Isha, Jane put the children to bed. They were exhausted. Within minutes, they were asleep.
Mama, you're the best, Mama. Love you, Mama.
Love you both. Sleep well.
She walked to the living room. The house was finally quiet. The clock showed 10 p.m. You should rest. You've been going all day.
I will. But first, I need to talk to Allah. Jane sat on her prayer mat. No children, no noise, no chaos. Just her and Allah. She raised her hands and the tears came. Ya Allah, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry I yelled today. I'm sorry I missed Asr. I'm sorry I doubted you. She prayed Isha again, slowly. Then she prayed 2 rakats of tahajjud. Just 2. It was all she had energy for. Ya Allah, do you see me? Do you see me cooking and cleaning and wiping tears? Do you see me when I'm too tired to stand? You do, don't you? You see everything. The good days and the bad days. The patience and the anger. The love and the exhaustion. She stayed on her mat for a long time. Not praying, just sitting. Just being with Allah. And for the first time in days, she felt peace.
After her prayer, Jane sat quietly. Max brought her tea and sat beside her. How do you feel?
Lighter. Like something heavy is gone.
You were so worried today. I could see it.
I was. I thought I was failing. I thought Allah was far from me because I couldn't pray like before.
And now?
Now I realize Allah never left me. I left myself. I was so busy feeling guilty that I forgot He sees everything.
What does He see?
He sees me waking up at 4 a.m. when my body screams for rest. He sees me cooking for them even when I'm too tired to eat. He sees me being patient when I want to scream. He sees every tear, every sacrifice, every moment of love.
That's ibadah, Jane. That's worship.
I know that now. My children are not keeping me from Allah. They are my path to Allah. Before sleeping, Jane went to check on her children one last time. They were peaceful, beautiful, hers. You two are my Ramadan. You are my prayer. You are my Jannah.
Mama?
Shh, go back to sleep, my love. Mama's here. She stood there for a long moment, her heart overflowing. I used to think worship meant long nights of prayer. I used to think closeness to Allah meant hours of Quran. But tonight, I learned something different. She kissed their foreheads and walked to the door. Worship is also this: wiping their tears, feeding them, loving them when I have nothing left. And Allah sees all of it.
The next morning, Jane woke up before Fajr. She was still tired. But something was different. The heaviness was gone.
Bismillah. Let's try again. She made suhoor, she woke the children, she served them with love.
Mama, are you okay today? You look happy.
I am happy, Habibi. I am.
Can I help with the dates again?
Of course, my sweet girl. Come.
And this time, when she prayed Fajr, she felt it. Not the long prayers of her past, but something smaller, something real, something accepted.
Ya Allah, this is my Ramadan. Messy, chaotic, exhausting, but mine and yours. If you're a mother watching this, if you've ever felt like you're failing, if you've ever cried because you couldn't pray like before, Allah sees you. He sees you getting up at night when your children need you. He sees you cooking and cleaning and serving even when you have nothing left.
Your children are not keeping you from Allah. They are your path to Allah.
Every time you are patient, that's worship. Every time you choose love over anger, that's worship. Every time you tuck them in with a tired smile, that's worship. You are not failing. You are building something beautiful. One day at a time. One dua at a time. One tired smile at a time. If this story touched your heart, share it with another mother who needs to hear it.
May Allah bless your Ramadan. May He give you strength. May He accept every small effort from your tired, loving heart. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.